In this video, I will talk about IoT cybersecurity. It is going to be a quick wrap-up of comprehensive literature review regarding this topic. First, I will talk about the definition of IoT. Then, I will focus on main issues as well as research available on this topic. Finally, I would wrap up with possible routes of research in the future. First, I will talk about the definition of IoT. General IoT definition is to connect lifeless objects into a smart system. IoT is an umbrella of technology encompassing a wide range of topics. This includes computer network and we will need to connect sensors and microcontrollers together. IoT also includes embedded systems, referring to computational resource with limiting power but extremely portable and robust. IoT includes big data as we will need to process a large amount of data in execution time. Finally, we also need to care about artificial intelligence as it is a tech that provides smart controls for our system. There's a good reason why we should care about IoT cybersecurity. In recent years, there's a sharp growth in cyber incidents, as well as IoT is one of the emerging technology in this century. Now we will discuss further about the issues in IoT cybersecurity. First, we will have reconnaissance, where attackers may gain important data, such as credentials and passwords to gain access to poor security system. One typical tool for this is Shodan, which probes such information of devices around the world. Next up, we will have social engineering, which strikes on human errors to retrieve crucial data, including credentials and passwords. Social engineering has led to a very devastating security breach in 2024, where a zipping tool in Linux system has been implanted with backdoor in the period of 2 years, and the attacker got full access just because he was interested with the project. Thirdly, we need to acknowledge there is a wide range of attack vectors. One outstanding case includes Mirai botnet, where attackers distribute bots using command and control server. Once the kill switch is on, botnet will attack victims with DDoS attack. Finally, there are vulnerabilities to take care of. In such systems, we will need to care about the hardware side and the software side of the system. Finding such vulnerabilities would help us come up with defense solutions of those attacks. Now I will move to the research that has been conducted on the topic. First up, we have firewalls. Originally, firewalls had good defense, but as time goes, IP search list in traditional firewall is no longer a viable solution. Hence, we will need to research on next-gen firewalls, which include the traditional IP search list, but also take into account packet sniffers as well as linking the connection to the final application for better cross-check. Next up, we will need to secure our communication protocols using encryption. There are a few protocols in use that are not well protected, which is due to alleviating computing power, including MQTT. However, it will pose serious security issues. Even when the system is secured with password, we also should be aware of post-quantum attacks as the computing power of these computers are extremely strong. Furthermore, we need to look into the hardware security. In one example in the review, we talk about side channels attack on hardware, which involve deducing an execution pattern just from collecting power traces from the microcontroller. Switching pins or obfuscating execution pattern could be a good defense strategy against side channel. Finally, we discussed on machine learning and AI. They have been in center of focus in recent years, and they have been widely used in research, typically in IoT cybersecurity. There are a variety of models to choose to tackle different attack vectors, then the results are very good also, as they're helping us greatly to prevent other threats attacking our system. IoT is an emerging technology that's going to facilitate our lives in the future. However, malicious events are also growing strong and threaten the IoT field. There have been research on traditional methods of defense, including firewalls, encrypted protocols. However, in the upcoming years, we will witness growth in use of machine learning and AI in IoT cybersecurity research. Another trend to take note of post-quantum computing prevention, as this technology is also rising as a threat to encryption and decryption these days.